it's been years since I've done this. I'm excited. First thing I'm doing is putting moisturizer on with SPF. This is just so important for your skin. Even if I don't leave the house, I put SPF on my face. Even under a mask, I put SPF on. And down my neck as well. Glowing. I've been using CC creams and tinted moisturizers for years, not only because there's SPF in it, but I really like having a light finish. I like when you can still see my freckles underneath my foundation. Make sure you put it on your eyelids as well. Man, there's nothing like the feeling of a fresh, new beauty blender. Sometimes I'll put concealer on, but for the most part, I don't. It's like, what am I doing? Who am I seeing? Like, it's not really worth it to me. Although my under eye circles have been really bad recently, I just overcompensate by drinking more coffee. Now we're gonna do some light contour and bronzing. I always just mix like a cooler shade with a warmer shade, and I put it like where you would contour but also blush, just to add a little bit of color in my cheeks. I like to do the E3 kind of bronzing method. This could also be why I break out on my neck though. Now it's time for highlight. This is my favorite step ever. Even if I don't wear foundation one day, I love putting highlighter on. Just makes me feel really sparkly and fun. I like the glow. I've been using these same brow products for years. I love the Benefit brow products. It's so weird because for some reason they blocked me on Twitter. Like, I have no idea what kind of beef we've had over the years. I didn't even know it existed. But I was going to tweet about how much I love their brow products, and I found out that I was blocked. So I guess I have beef with Benefit and I didn't even know. On like a normal day, I literally just add mascara and then I'm done. But I have recently been super into green eyeshadow, and I want to show you guys how I actually make that look. But if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram or anything, you can see that I've been digging green eyeshadow. I feel like it just looks so cool, and I love brown and green together, so I'm gonna throw on like a brown jacket with this top and then have the green eyeshadow, and it'll look really sick. I try not to do too much eye makeup like every single week because I don't want to get wrinkles. I'm very nervous about getting wrinkles, and I try not to like tug at my eyes too much or wear too much makeup if I can help it, because I'm just trying to like never age. But can't stop time, unfortunately, but I can be gentle with my eyes. So this is what I do. I've been loving this Mandalorian The Child palette from ColourPop. It's so cute. I mean, come on. I've never watched this show. I've only seen one movie of Star Wars, but I love this palette, although this color broke, that's fine. The first thing that I do is apply kind of like a base shade all over the lid and into the crease. This is just like a really beautiful transition shade. Okay, and then, I mean, there's a really, like, I've played around with all of these greens. I'm gonna do the look that I did yesterday just because I feel like it was really pretty. So what I'm gonna do is put this like sparkly green color here all over my lid. It's kind of like a sparkly olive color. Then what I'm going to do is take this kind of darker green here, it's like a matte green, and I'm going to just kind of very lightly get some color on there and blend it into that transition shade that was previously applied. Now I'm going to take the color Precious Child and I'm putting that in the inner corner. Now what I'm going to do is take that same like dark green and just brush it a little bit on my lower lash line. I don't go too far, it's kind of just like halfway. I realized I probably should have like zoomed in this whole time. Sorry, I'm really new to this. Or not new, but it's been a very long time. Then I'm gonna layer on 2 different mascaras. Again, another Benefits product. Benefit, what gives? And then I'm also gonna put on this Milk Kush mascara, so I like to layer on the mascara and just have a party. And then as you finished eye makeup that I've been doing recently, zoom back out, oops, that's in. Time for lip gloss. I've been loving this Nude Sticks Lip Glaze is what it's called. Now that my makeup is all done, I want to show you guys how I've been doing my hair, more importantly, how I've been styling my curtain bangs, because I have super thin, flat hair, and it doesn't really like do what I want it to do a lot. So this is how I style my curtain bangs, okay? So pull out all of my bangs. Then I take a roller, and this is like a thick roller, but it has like this little catch net. It's very easy to put on, so this is pretty much what I do. Take all my bangs, place them on the foam, close this little gate, and then I roll them like towards my forehead. just like this. I think I forgot this piece, whatever. Then I clip them up and I sit like this for like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. And while I do this, I'm going to heat up my straightener and have more coffee. Okay, the waiting game is over. Rolling this guy out, I'm gonna take my straightener and essentially like curl it in like I did with the roller. There's the ramen noodle. Your hair should look something like this. That's normal, okay? That's normal, at least for my type of hair. Then I like to run my hands through it and just kind of play around with it a little bit. Then what I'll do sometimes, if they're really not cooperating, is like clip it down a little bit. And that's how I style my curtain bangs. They're not always like perfect, but it kind of gives the essence of what I'm looking for, you know? So can't complain too much. That I like this little like swoop, this little like comma mark almost. I think it's fun. And what I want to do today to switch it up a little bit, I want to put some sparkly tinsel hair extensions in. And if you haven't already seen my video in which I make these, then I will leave that in the description because it's super fun and just kind of helps switch things up. So I'm literally going to just place this in my hair for some sparkly fun. That is pretty much what I do whenever I actually get dressed and do my makeup. I've been loving the green. I've been loving like little sparkle extensions and just having fun with my hairstyles. But more importantly, I feel like I got my bangs down finally as to how I can freaking style them every day. So makes me excited.